Hello there. Just wanted to show you a video quick of the Craftsman 6-inch vise. I finished the assembly last night, threw it back together. This was completely taken apart, cleaned up, primed and painted. When I got it, it didn't have any jaws. I'm sorry, it had one jaw and a partial, so it needed jaws. So, I'm glad to see that my metal fabricating skills are still up to par, but you can see I went ahead and fabricated some 6-inch jaws, countersunk Allen head bolts, and the fit up is pretty good on them. So just close it so you can see it's pretty smooth, no issues. And it does close nice and tight. So it's a halfway decent little vise. There you have it. Done deal. And this was Sunrise Red, Rustoleum red enamel. And it's pretty good. It's got a nice gloss to it. Pretty thick. Appreciate it, guys. Take care. Have a great day.